Hi friends, today we'll learn how to install WordPress on your hosting account and I'll show you how to do it. So let's go to Google and type in wordpress.org. This is the most commonly used platform for blogging and building websites on the internet. So we'll click on this link, WordPress blog tool publishing platform and CMS. It's taking time here. Now what we want to do is get the latest version of the WordPress, so I'll download the WordPress 3.3.1. Now there are two options that we can download this file in. It's the zip and tar. We'll choose the zip one because it's the simplest form of the file, and I'll save it on the desktop in a folder called WordPress. So let's save it. It will take a few seconds for it to download. Wow, it's done. So let's go to the desktop, and in the WordPress folder here's the file, that's wordpress.zip. What we want to do is extract this file. You can use any file extractor such as WinZip or WinRAR. I prefer using ZipGenius because this is the simplest one. So I'll extract all these files. Let's refresh, and these files are here in a folder called WordPress. Now what we want to do is we want all these files in a root directory, so we will create a new archive with all these files in the root directory. So what we'll do is we'll select all these and create a new archive. I'll right click, and using ZipGenius I'll create a new archive, and it's automatically named wordpress.zip. Wow, now let's go back to the internet and we'll go to Google, and let me log in to my web hosting account. So here I'm in the members area of my hosting account, and these are my different domain names, and I want to choose a domain name which is a new, so I'll choose the first one, which is a new domain name that I've created, which is shopmyniche.webuda.com. So let's try to install WordPress on it. What we want to do is we will go in the control panel, and we want to create a new MySQL database. So we'll click on this dolphin thing here and create a new WordPress database. I'll name it WordP and set a password. And create database. It's created, and let's copy all these details to a notepad, and we'll go back to the control panel. Now what we can do is we can use this easy file manager to upload all these files. I'll log into this file manager using my hosting password, and let's go to the public HTML folder where we want to upload the WordPress archive. We'll click on upload, and here are two options. We can either upload the files, or we can upload the archive. So I'll choose to upload the archive and choose file, and here we are in the WordPress folder, and we have this wordpress.zip. I'll choose that and click on submit. It's uploading now. It's doing its job and it's showing the progress at the bottom. So it takes little time. We might want to wait. It takes anywhere from 60 seconds to 80 seconds. So I'll come back when it's done. Wow, it's done, and we have all the files uploaded. There are some errors though, however we can ignore them, and let's log out of the file manager and we'll close this window. Now what we want to do is we want to go to our website or access that domain. So I'll go back to my accounts and click on this link here for the website that we installed these files on, and here we are. We want to create a configuration file. So what we want here, we want all those details that we copied on notepad file, which has the MySQL database name, username, password, and the host name. So I'll click on let's go and paste all those details here, including my WordPress database name, the username, the password, and the host name. It's very essential that you enter the host name right and don't use the local host. So I've entered all these details, and let's click on submit. It's done, and let's run the install. Now what we want to do is choose a site title. So I'll choose shop the best niches. I'll choose a username, or let it remain admin. Choose a password, and enter our domain name. Now privacy, if we want to allow our website to become public and appear in search engines, we want to let this checkbox remain checked. Or if you want to just use it for personal use, then you can uncheck it and install WordPress. Alright, so it's done. Now let's log into your WordPress account. Alright, it shows welcome to your new WordPress site. Here are the posts. We can add all the posts. Now let's log out and see how our website looks. I'll remove the other things and go to our website. So here we are. We have a WordPress website up and running.